Have you ever found yourself navigating a tricky tenant situation, wondering how to gather the facts without escalating tensions or overlooking important details? It is easy to feel overwhelmed, but there is a clear, systematic approach to ensure you handle things correctly. The proper way to investigate a tenant problem involves a structured and well-documented approach, which ensures fairness, adherence to legal standards, and the preservation of a professional landlord-tenant relationship. This process always begins with objective fact gathering and clear communication. This structured investigation protects both the landlord and the tenant by preventing misunderstandings and providing credible evidence should any disputes escalate. It ensures that any decisions made are based on objective facts rather than assumptions, which is absolutely crucial for legal defensibility and maintaining trust. First, you should always receive and document the initial complaint thoroughly. Encourage the tenant to submit their concerns in writing, clearly stating the nature of the problem, the dates it occurred, and any initial observations. This creates a clear record right from the start. Next, gather all relevant information, including reviewing the lease agreement for any applicable clauses and checking your property records for past maintenance requests or communications related to the issue. This helps establish context and identify patterns. Then, conduct an objective inspection of the property if the problem relates to physical conditions. Take clear, dated photographs or video evidence and consider bringing a neutral third-party witness if possible. Interview all involved parties separately and confidentially. Ask open-ended questions to encourage detailed responses and listen carefully without interruption or judgment. Ensure you are documenting every conversation, including the date, time, participants, and a summary of what was discussed. After collecting all initial information, carefully cross-reference statements and evidence to identify any inconsistencies or gaps in information that might require further investigation. This critical step ensures you have a complete picture. Finally, communicate your findings and proposed resolution to all parties involved, outlining the next steps and expected timelines for resolution. Be sure to maintain a consistent paper trail for every action taken and every communication exchanged throughout this entire process. A key best practice in property management is to always separate the act of investigation from the act of judgment. The goal of the investigation is purely to gather facts, not to assign blame. By focusing solely on verifiable information during this phase, you are building a robust foundation for an equitable resolution. This proactive approach not only resolves immediate issues, but also strengthens your long-term management strategy. By following these methodical steps, you empower yourself to address tenant problems with confidence and professionalism. This ensures a fair resolution, minimizes potential legal disputes, and cultivates a positive environment for everyone involved, protecting your investment and your peace of mind.